Very good morning, students. You are welcome to online classes of Oriental Public School. Myself, Pankaj Kumar Misra, Faculty of Social Science. Today, I am here with a video of class 10th Economics Lesson 1. Your topic is development. Today, we are going to talk about development and its related points. So first of all, I am going to talk about development. What is development? How developmental goal varies from person to person. Why it is not same with each and everyone. As you know, development is something that happens in individual's life as a improvement or progressive happens. Development is always with each and everyone. Everyone wants development, but not in similar way and similar manner, because the present level of each and every person varies from time to time and person to person. So the notion of development can't be same with everyone. The development we can also define like this: development is a progressive change in an individual's life, form, society, environment in the present level. Whatever is the present level and the improvement that happens or takes place in the individual's life, that we call development. Now you can see here, development, the idea of development or progress has always been with us. Means it is the nature of human. Each and every human wants to be developed, progress or positive changes in their lives. If we don't want this, means we will stay at the same place, remains in the same place. So we have aspirations or ideas or desires about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. It depends upon our level of thinking or desire, what we want to achieve in our life, what type of life do we want to sustain or spend. That also comes in the path of development. Now, one very important thing that we must understand here: development for different people. Means you can also say developmental goals vary from person to person. Developmental goals from person to person. It cannot be similar. To make this point clear, I would like to give some examples. You can see here, suppose that one landless rural farmer is there. What may be the development for that very person, that rural farmer? More days of work and better wages. That farmer will decide to have more days of work and better wages. If that farmer is getting maximum days of work according to their potential or capacity and decent wages for their work, means development is taking place in the life of that landless labor. And they also desires to have local school is able to provide quality education for their children. If the local school is providing them, means their children, quality education, then development is taking place in their life and development is going on. But similarly, in the same time, if I go to compare the developmental goal of landless rural labor to prosperous farmer, we find that it is totally different. So now let's see what is the prosperous farmer's developmental goal. Assure high family income through higher support price for their crops. Means prosperous farmers here wants better or decent price for their crops through which they can earn a lot amount which can be good for the betterment of their future. So what we have concluded means these two parts are totally different. One more example I would like to take here to explain this point. A girl from rich urban family. What is the developmental goal of this girl? She wants as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. If that happens, means development is taking place. So one more example I would like to give. Suppose that an unemployed youth what may be the developmental goal for this very person? First of all, the developmental goal of this person will a good job in a good firm where handsome salary is given, working environment is good. First of all, the priority of this person will be to get a job. So that will be development. Suppose that one student is there. What may be the developmental goal of this student? Pass the exam with good marks and get admission in a good college or university for higher studies. This will be the first priority in the developmental goal. So now what we have observed in these 4 or 5 examples, we have given the examples of different people with different conditions in their life. Even their desires to be developed is different from each other. Why this happens? Because the present level of these all people are not same. They have different qualities, different level, different situation, which totally varies from each other. So they cannot have the same notion of development. So one thing is clear that different people have different developmental goal because the level of present standard of their life is different from each other. So I hope you have understood. Now one more point is there. What may be development for one may not be for others. It may be destructive for others. Suppose that I am giving one example to clarify this concept. Suppose that a dam is going to be constructed. A dam is going to be constructed. So after the construction of dam, it will be beneficial for the people who are living in the urban area, especially to the industries, because after construction the dam, a lot amount of electricity will be generated, which will be beneficial to supply the electricity to the industrial region in affordable price. But at the same time, the construction of dam will be harmful to the people living in surrounding the region, maybe the farmers, tribal people, because as we know, after the construction of dam, the large area surrounding the region submerged under water, and the people living or residing and practicing the different economical activities disturbed by the construction of dam. In that very particular time, they have to displace the place, and also there is no necessary condition that they will be rehabilitated in some other places. In that situation, they are losing their livelihood and source of income, and they are facing an great means economical crisis. So we can say here construction of is dam is beneficial for the industrialists and other people who are living far from that place, but it is destructive or harmful for those people who are living nearby that region. So we can say that what may be development for one may not be development for other. One more example I would like to give for clarifying this concept is that suppose that one industry is there and the industry is getting more and more income from that, but the waste, toxic waste, liquor waste means generated in that particular industry is released in nearby region where lot of family or residents living. What happens, this toxic waste create a lot of problem to the residents living in that. They are suffering from many disease of this. What happens, means industrialist is not living there, owner of the industry, he is getting more and more benefit by doing and pursuing this industry, but the people living surrounding that are getting affected by this. What is happening here, and the industry is beneficial for the industries or the owner of industry, but the waste released by this industry nearby region is destructive for the people living in that particular region. So we can say here, no, what may be development for one may not be for others, it may be destructive. I hope students you have understood this point. Now moving to the next. So now the conclusion of this point, whatever we have read above, is that a question arises: do all these persons have the same notion of development or progress? So finally our answer will be obviously no. Why we say like this? Because so we got to know that different peoples can have different developmental goals, and may be the development for other can be destructive for someone else. That we have already seen in the above example, ki how what is development for one, and it is not means surety that it will be beneficial for other also, it may be destructive. So I hope students you have understood up to here. Very soon I will be here with next video and keep the topic continue. So up to here you study properly and be safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.